Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on a Casio Gshock 5522. Step number 1. Put the watch in the timekeeping mode by clicking several times on the mode button until you see the digital time and the seconds. Step number 2. Hold the adjust button for a few seconds until the watch beeps. Wait for the hands to move and use the two buttons, the reset and start button on the right side of the watch, to choose your current setting. Once you are done, click the mode buttons once and use the button on the right side of the watch again to put the daylight saving on or off. Click the mode button and choose either the 12-hour or 24-hour military time. Click mode and use the right side buttons to reset the second. Click mode again. Now you can set the hour. Click mode again and now set the minutes. Mode. Now you can set the year. Next you can set the month and the day of the month, the date. Once you are done, click the adjust button once to go back to the timekeeping mode. Thank you for watching.